Here, oxygen will eventually enter the system and be used. Remember the reaction for cell respiration is glucose plus oxygen releases energy in the reaction.
Who are y'all? And what are you doing here? We didn't understand photosynthesis. We're here to help.
Duh. What I meant.
Photosynthesis.
Break it down now. Photosynthesis, man, like dependent reactions happening in the form of the sun's attraction. All this start with the photosystem too. Light is absorbed to break up water molecules. Excited electrons, hydrogen ions, oxygen is what this becomes. High energy electrons go down the ETC, then they hop off the chain now on to step 3.
Starts with energized electrons in photosynthesis 2. Then enzymes in the membrane called NADH together make sugar like NADH. Hydrogen ions can cross the membrane, so ATP synthase provides them away. It spins them around, as is shown, produces ATP like a cyclone. Cyclone!
Because she moves her body like a cyclone, just like a cyclone, like a cyclone.
All the energy created in this step here is passed to the Calvin cycle. Have no fear. 6 CO2 from the atmosphere, join the 6 carbons added to the C here. These 36 carbons then change their form, more energy is added. I hope you're not bored. 2 sets of these 12 are then left behind. They form 6 carbon sugar when they're redesigned.
The 10 that are left are re-energized. Then they become 6 sets of 5. They go back to the cycle. Now don't you forget it. It's the Calvin cycle, girl.
Now you get it?
Now we've made the glucose. It's time to break it down. It's cellular respiration and it's all around. Now listen close, kids. 3 stages you should know. Glycolysis occurs in the ETC, yo. First the glucose comes around and meets stage B. And before I'm finished, she sets of 3.
After this reaction, we get 2-pyruvic acid along with NADH and ATP. Now say we don't have oxygen, what do? Then fermentation becomes step 2. Alcoholic lactic acid are the 2 main types. They both use pyruvic acid and NADH. One produces alcohol, the other LA.
Lactic acid.
Now after glycolysis, if there's O2, we'll move on to the Krebs. We'll see what I'm saying. This next step occurs in the matrix. Once we explain it, I hope it clicks. The first step creates citric acid. The next step involves energy extraction. As pyruvic acid enters the mitochondria, we get a CO2 and charge NAD+. Coenzyme A joins the 2-CC, forming for a moment acetyl-CoA. CoA joins the 2-carbon acetyl, then it forms citric acid. Get the point?
Like a needle. Here comes Dr. Joe! Citric acid breaks down to a 5-carbon compound and then to a 4-carbon compound. 2 more CO2 are released and FADH2 and NADH are energized. Also 1 ATP.
Holla!
Energy from Krebs is making ATP, yo. When electrons hop off the chain, we get H2O. With every 2 electrons going down the chain, hydrogen ions can cross the membrane.
Say what?
When hydrogen ions can't cross the membrane, ATP synthase provides them away, spins them around, as is shown, produces ATP, like a cyclone.
Because she moves her body like a cyclone, just like a cyclone, like a cyclone.
That's photosynthesis, yo, and cellular respiration. Shout out to my homies all across the nation. Peace.
Word to Miss Fowler.
Thanks, guys. I really get it now.
Hey y'all, let's bounce.
Wait, guys. I don't want to get home now. Dad, I got 100 on my biology test.
All right.
Break it down now.
That was good.
Where are we?
Who are y'all?
Stop. Yo.
What am I doing here?
That's a good question.
This thing.
Look at Rosalind.
If you want to pan.
Rosalind, your Giselle run isn't really thuggish.
What?
your Giselle run isn't really thuggish. For real. Shoot! I gotta get my hat. Idiot. Yeah, untie your shoes. They look. You look like a fake thug. Okay.
Like this. Yeah. Let's go. But we're all taking out.
Yeah, ghetto people aren't scared of
You can
bugs.
see my glasses from inside the camera.
You look a little scary.
But can you see my glasses?
If I zoom in pretty far, yeah.
But from far away, does it look good?
No, from far away, you look like you just don't have eyes.
That looks reaction happening in the form of bug distraction. All this starts with photosystem too. Kevin! All this starts with photosystem too. But the source. Kevin! Make step forward.
Suck. What did I miss? Okay, we gotta do that.
Like she started?
Yeah.
Wait.
Here we go, y'all.
Wait.
Yeah, if I did one of those.
Handstand, Roz. Do a handstand.
Do a cartwheel.
See if we can see the dark blob. That was a family thing. Booty! Booty, booty,
Plastic mirror cake, don't cut it. 8th grade.
8th grade video.
Yeah, me too.
Like keep like grabbing your dick.
I'm recording this.
My glasses glow in the dark.
Yeah, go loud.